ang balikan! Go! Pasulong! Good!
Passing now is the battalion staffed with their battalion commander, Vincent M. Maldeo, Deputy Chief in Administration, J.D. M. Carlos, Deputy Chief for Operation, Ronde V. Orelas, Regimental G1, Kyla Patricia May A. Pideza, Regimental G2, Awi L. Otani, Regimental G3, Danica S. Ila, Regimental G4, Brooke S. Matias. Followed by the Alpha Company with their company commander, Colonel Aaron M. Bunaventura, XO, John Lester, he is Coletta, Hidambero, and Gary, Korea. The platoon leaders of the Alpha Company, 1st Platoon, James Carl Espanol, 2nd Platoon, Christopher John P. Huertas, 3rd Platoon, Jamaica M. Ray, 4th Platoon, Lowell J. D. C, 5th Platoon, Mary Jo D. Boris, 6th Platoon, Winston L. Murphy, 7th Platoon, Rudy Rose V. Pelosa. Passing by is the colors led by the color commander, John Marie L. Delos, followed by the Bravo Company with their company commander, Honey May D. Fayon, EXO, Oteli Antea, Anjali R. Moreno, Yvonne Berra, Christian W. L. J. The platoon leaders of the Bravo Company, 1st Platoon, Francis L. Luis and Lau, 2nd Platoon, Jermar D. Hico, 3rd Platoon, Lady Nan Andrea P. Albor,